Okay, this is the Friedrich, whatever you pronounce it, AC. If you're having trouble getting the temperature down below a certain set point, right now I've already fixed it, but it was only going to 68 and we couldn't get it any lower. So this is how to get the temperature lower and how to make sure that the fan stays on constant as opposed to shutting off and shutting back on. And then also how to get around the night occupancy sensor. So sometimes at night, after it doesn't sense any movement, it'll say, oh, the room is unoccupied, and go back to its set point automatically, even though you've fixed the temperature. So there's three different things going on. Constant fan, the lowest, or changing the temperature range that the guest can input, and getting rid of that setback because of the sensor. So first is, there might be a screw right there, so you would want to take that out first if it's in there, and then you want to make sure that you pry just the faceplate, not the entire thing off the wall. You're not wanting to damage it. So once that pops off, there's a configuration button inside of the top of these two. So not this one, but this one right here. You'll get a pin like this, and you can shove it inside of there. So first thing we're going to do is there's two different types of books in here. So if you do a short press on the configuration button, it gets you to one menu. Then if you do a holding press, it gets you to a different menu. First, we're going to set up the clock, because the night occupancy mode could be affected by that, and it accesses the energy conservation mode. So just a short press and to it right now, and that shows the hour. So I already fixed it to where it's 10:40 a.m. right here. Originally it was like off by like 12 hours. So at night it was cutting back to the set point automatically after we were in bed for like 10 minutes. So we want to make sure that you have the correct time right here. And to go forward, you press the Fahrenheit Celsius. To go back in the menu, you press the fan. To exit the menu, you press the power button. So it timed out, so we'll go back into it. So we got the time set, so we'll forward in the menu. And this is the room number, so set room. So this is our room number. And this is something with the compressor, don't worry about that. And this is the energy conservation. So I'm going to put it on 0, and putting it on 0 turns off the setback mode. So that's one way of getting off of that. So now that that's set, we're gonna exit out of it. And now it's turned it off. That's why you heard the AC kick off. Now we'll turn it back on. And to get into the other settings for the adjusting the fan and all that, we're gonna go back to that configuration button and do a long hold for a few seconds. Holding, there it is. And then you'll see this menu pop up. And you'll go to the next, let's see, this one right now, you heard the compressor fan shut off. So what you want here is 0, because that makes it manual. And manual says if you want the fan on, you got it on. If you have it on 1, then that automatically shuts the fan off or on, depending upon if the air compressor is rolling. So you got 0 right there. That's what you want. And you go forward in the menu. Don't worry about these. So this is kind of dealing with how many minutes has passed until it'll go into that setback type thing. And so now we get into the 1. So these two numbers on the side kind of is your appendix, and these numbers, these big numbers, are what the setting actually represents. Let's see here. So I changed these to 0. They might say like 25 or something, but that deals with when the setback heat compressor kicks in. I just put it to 0 to turn it off another way, even though we already took care of that earlier. This is the same thing for the AC, turned it off. Well, we already took care of that earlier. And then this is something, this one doesn't matter. This is like a range between plus or minus. What you want to get to is the 1 and a 6, or 7 rather. 1 and 7. This is the lowest temperature that the guest is allowed to operate. So before it was set to 68 and we couldn't go any lower. So 1, 7 is where you can adjust to how low you can set it. And then we'll go forward, and that should be all you need. So you've taken care of the fan, you've taken care of the max temperature or the lowest temperature. Now we can exit out of it. Now when we turn on, we can go all the way down to 64 like we said. And now when we press the fan on low or high, it will stay on low or high. Even if once it reaches 60, whatever we set, the air conditioner will shut off, but the fan will keep going. And the setback thing that we took care of earlier, we put that into 0, which is good. And then another way of handling that is when we made sure that we had the correct time set up. So now we'll go in here and make sure one more time that we have the correct clock. Correct clock is good. So now at nighttime, in that set of menu options, and it goes into night mode, it won't, let's see, over here, and one of these, it has like how many hours in night mode, starting at whatever 9 o'clock, or once it starts, it won't go back to the setback. So you have the clock, you have the conservation, you set it all up, it should be good. Again, the manual is in there if you want to dig through it, in case anything of this doesn't make any sense. But yeah, so now that it's on, turn it on, you can set it to whatever you want. Now that we're getting ready to check out, I'm gonna put it back to 68. This keeps them from getting angry at people having to do this in the first place. So try not to leave your AC on like 60 degrees, and because friends in the industry say that this is one of their biggest items on their budget is air conditioning. So we don't want to make a war out of this. Anyway, hope this helps. Have a good day.